Welcome to 5366 Rex Avenue. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home is located in the City Heights area of San Diego. Upon entry, you can see this home has been completely remodeled. Hardwood flooring throughout, brand new paint. Remote operated ceiling fan and recessed lighting. To our left here, we have your kitchen area with a small breakfast nook. Stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, and this beautiful white quartz countertop. Head back into the living room and around the corner. Once we get into the hallway to the right here, we have the first bedroom. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a queen-size bed. Wall-length closets. And we're going to head to the right again down the hall into the second bedroom. This room is a little bit larger. Still big enough to comfortably fit a queen-size bed. We also have wall-length closets. And now as we turn over here, you can see it does have laundry. Stackable washer and dryer with a little bit of extra space for some storage here. Now we're going to head back into the hallway where you have your bath. Beautiful tile, some built-in cabinetry. You can see the tile goes into the bath as well. Very crisp and clean.